Tim here with the Jacks of all trades, and welcome back to our addition slash remodel slash custom home build. I need to apologize to all you guys for not getting anything posted sooner, but to be honest, we weren't here for about 10 weeks due to things that were outside of our control with material delivery and some of the concrete and stuff that we were waiting on. We just flat out weren't here much. We poured some concrete, we did some little things, but now we're back, and I'm excited to walk you through and show you all the stuff we got going on. First, as you can see, we got some of the roofing on. We got most of the porches framed. All the concrete is poured on the outside except for the front porch. We got plumbing is just about done. HVAC has started on the second floor, and within the next week or so, hopefully I'll be doing electrical. Now, the goal is still to get this bad boy done about 8 weeks behind schedule, which isn't too bad considering we missed 10. So let's head on inside and I'll walk you through all the cool stuff we have going on.
All right, we're going to walk you through the entire process, and here's what it looked like on day one. After the first week, here we are tearing off some more stuff. This is, I think, week 2. Now we got ditches dug all the way around. Most of it tore down. I think we still tore down a couple more of those walls. See all the way around, you see how much bigger this foundation is going to be, how much bigger we're making this house. Got the forms in the ground for the first set of pours, and here they are pouring that first set of pours, the first set of walls and footings. Mostly footings, it looks like here. As we come around, we've already dropped the steel beams in. We got the footing all the way around. We're framing up the stem walls for the additions. Come around here, you can see just all that gray is how much bigger it is even than the old garage. Now we got some of the stem walls starting to frame in. Got the second floor going on. And there you go, you got the bonus room poured. As we come around, you see you got the stem walls all the way around for the concrete front porch. Working on the stem walls for the back porch. Working on getting the last of those posts put in, as we already did the extension there. As you can see, it just keeps going. Now, the drone shots got lost as far as video, so here we are starting to build the second floor after we got all the stem walls up, got some of the backfill done. As we cruise around, there's the master bathroom there. It's being all framed out. There it is from the downhill side there. And as we come across here we are to current. See, we got the wraparound porches starting to be built on there all the way around. We got the slabs all done. Still got the front porch to build coming down off the side there. There's the office. We still have a lot more roofing and stuff to do, as you can see, but this lower part will all be done in metal roofing. And here we are coming in the front door. Super exciting. All this beam work has no hardware that's visible. It's all set in with long 16-inch screws. You come in, you look down that way, it's going to be some screen porch area. There's your front door. So we walk right here on the end, there's going to be an outdoor shower. Standing from the outdoor shower, looking down the porch. There's your door into your utility room. So there'll be a shower here if you want to mud off from the farm. Go on the door there, there'll be another shower. As we walk down through the front here, you can see that you'll be going in the front door. That'll all be roofed in the rest of the way, and then there'll be a wall right here that you come into the screened porch area. So it'll be an outdoor breathing. All these windows on the left, you'll be able to get food coming in from the kitchen. There'll be another door here, and this will be an outdoor kitchen area. There'll be a wood-burning fireplace or wood-burning pizza oven in the corner there, and it's set up to be an outdoor kitchen, but we're not using that yet. Big vaulted ceilings, going to have all reclaimed wood ceilings, and then there's a big double sliding glass door to get out to where a fire pit will sit at some point. And as we go in this door here, of course, from the outdoor kitchen, you go into indoor kitchen. So on the left will be your kitchen sink, your cabinets, and those little windows that'll open up so you can pass food to the bar outside and eat. You turn, there'll be an island right here in front of us, directly in front of us, off to the right. Here you'll have the refrigerator, another wine fridge, and some other countertops and an extra sink. And then you'll come around as you're heading towards the dining room on the left. Right back here will be the office area where the plumbers have all their stuff sitting back in here. So you got this great big office that you can come in and work in. Looks out into the outdoor kitchen, looks out downhill towards the regular view. And as you look across the entire living space here, it's pretty awesome. Now we're looking into where they're going to go ahead and put the dining room. So you got all this glass, and then you have this seating area out here. There'll be a big set of stairs coming off towards the end of the house there, down towards that field, and you also have some others sitting there. And so we come back in, we're standing in my favorite corner where I stood in all the videos showing you what the job looked like. Out there will be, this is the dining room technically, there's the door going towards the master bedroom. As we come back in, we're in this huge, just this big room. That beam is 42 feet long. Okay, here's it is from the other corner. As we are looking, there's the vaulted going up to the second floor. So right here, this whole area is vaulted up to the office. outlooking the kitchen. There's going to be a gas fireplace right there in front of us, along next to the side of the pantry. So we turn the corner to go down the hallway here. This hallway will be the utility room, back door, the master bedroom, the downstairs master bedroom, and the powder room. So right here will be a shower, the water softener, the furnace, the washer and dryer, the utility sink, and that kind of stuff. And then you come back here to the little tiny powder room, just cool little spot. And then we turn into the master bedroom here, same view out those windows. Head back towards the master bath. And as we go back into the master bath area, there'll be his and hers vanities. You can see the plumbing there stubbed out. There will be a clawfoot tub there in that hole. And then if you look right here, that's the shower wall right there, a big walk-in shower. And then as we come around here, the toilets kind of gives you a little bit of privacy behind a half wall into a giant master closet. Your entrance into your shower, and then your his and her vanities right here. And then as we go back into the master bedroom, we're going to go ahead and turn the corner. Well, first, look at that view through there. Normally, you can see Mount Rainier perfectly. Come out here, there'll be a swinging porch swing on the left, and then this will all be hog panel fencing, railing all the way down, and then you come down. And this is all the way back to the dining room. You can see the vents there on the bottom. They're going to have a big metal grate on them. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. The goal of this whole house is to make it look like it's been here for 100 years, even though it's a new house. They don't want that brand new house look. They want that old farmhouse look. As we come upstairs into the main kick-it space, there'll be a big corner fireplace there with a TV above it. You'll have a bar and kitchen all the way on the right there. And then right around the short wall here is going to be a beautiful live edge desk. So you can come up here, you can get your work done while you're looking out the windows. And I know you can't see it right now, but look in the other videos we did, you'll see the beautiful view of Mount Rainier right there. Now, this place is another unique thing is it's going to have dual master bedrooms up here. So this house is all masters. There's 3 master bedrooms. These 2 up here are identical. So as we go into the one, you can see it's a big master bedroom with 2 windows right here overlooking this beautiful valley on this hill, or into the valley. And then we got the master bedroom coming in here, or master bathroom. And so you'll have your sink and your vanity on your right. And then we got another little half wall on the left for your toilet. Look up here. We opened up these skylights and brought them in. There's the shower there, the utilities there. So this is going to have so much light because we opened up those upper dormers. It wasn't really part of the original plan, but it looks so much better as we come across the main living area and into the other master bedroom up here. It's the same thing. This is above the regular master, but not the master bath. As we come into here, as you can see, it's a mirrored image. We have the vanity on the left. You got the little toilet privacy area there on the right. And then you got this big walk-in shower here. The big closet on the other side of the wall. And so, yeah, as we come through all this, that's what we have. So much view, so much space in this house. I think with all the outdoor areas, it's like 5,200 square feet. Thanks for watching this video. Go back, watch the other videos, see the process, and